This is Chris from ModeMunch, and welcome to Fast Food Fun. The show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like retail products, all whilst reducing the cost. Imagine crunchy, thick-cut chips, topped with crumbled bacon and drizzled with delicious cheesy sauce on a toasted sesame seed bun. Did someone order an extra squirt of cheese on their front bun? Well, if I chipped and porked those sesame buns, the cheese would be saltier than salty dogs. Still, for $2 it's worth a squirt in the mouth. So the bacon is smoky, very finely sliced and chewy. The cheese sauce is definitely mozzarella, and the chips taste like they weren't thawed properly before they were fried. Oh well, complain? He thinks not. While you're here, if you smash the like button and subscribe, we can be besties. I started by making some cheese sauce using cornflour, butter, heavy cream and some mozzarella cheese sticks. Next, peel 3 medium spuds. Slice, boil and thaw, leave for about 10 minutes. I'm using onion, salt and caster sugar as a brine. Pat dry, then fry twice until golden. Finally, slice some smoky bacon and place inside a cold pan to crisp up. Melt some butter in a pan and toast the heel and the crown of the bun. Heel, cheese sauce, bacon, cheese, chips, cheese, and more bacon on the crown. Looks great for a smidge over $1. No cheesy front bun or greasy chippy butt. This is Chris from ModeMunch, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Blah blah.